Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jody. Today I'm gonna make some simple chicken wings. Yes, so here I have a pack of wings. I already washed it, it's clean. So first I'm just gonna pour some salt on it, not a lot, just a pinch, okay? And I'm also gonna add some olive oil just to keep it nice and moist. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. But guys, you can always use whatever seasoning you have, okay? You don't have to use the same seasoning that I'm using, yeah? So first, I'm just gonna blend all of my seasoning together. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on my chicken wings. You're just gonna flip them over and make sure the other side is all coated with the seasoning. All these seasonings smell so good. Nicely seasoning. This is how you want it to be, yeah. So that's perfect. And guys, I'm not gonna massage all this seasoning on my chicken wings. I'm just gonna basically take my hand and just pat the seasoning on my chicken wings like so. So you see, this is nicely seasoning. Yes, perfect. And you can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. But honestly, sometimes I don't have the time, so I'm just gonna cook it as it is. Yes. So that's perfectly seasoned, guys. So here I have my skillet, and guys, what I did, I add some oil to it because I'm gonna fry my wings for at least 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Okay, make sure your oil is hot. Okay, I add at least 5 spoonful of oil. Yes. I'm not gonna add all of my chicken wings. I'm just gonna leave the rest because you don't want to fill your pot too much, okay? So I'm just gonna fry these ones first. So it's about that time. Now I'm gonna turn my chicken wings. Nice and browned. That's exactly how you want it. So now I'm gonna turn back over my chicken wings. Guys, it looks so good. And I'm just gonna allow this part just to fry for at least 1 minute. Then I'm gonna remove it. So now I'm gonna remove it now. I'm gonna add my remaining chicken wings. So my chicken wing is all fried. So now I'm gonna remove it now, okay? So I'm just gonna make a simple sauce for my chicken wings. So here I have a pot on the stove. It's a clean pot. So to my pot I'm gonna add at least 1 spoon of butter. You're just gonna allow it to melt. So when it is all melt, now I'm gonna add some ginger, and at least 3 cloves of garlic. I didn't add a lot of ginger, okay? You don't need a lot. And I'm just gonna allow it to saute for at least 2 minutes, okay? Give it a stir. So after 1 to 2 minutes, now I'm just gonna add at least 3 spoonfuls of water to my pot. Not a lot, okay? Then I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Give it a stir. And at least a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. And at least quarter cup of honey. Just want to give it a stir so everything will all combine. I'm gonna add some more of my dark soya sauce. Some chili seed. At least a teaspoon. And guys, you're just gonna allow it to come to a boil until it became thick, okay? The sauce smells amazing. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. It is so good. So my sauce is all finished, and this is what it looks like, and this is exactly how you want it, guys. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could be in my kitchen right now. It smells good, so yummy. Not too thick, just runny. Let us zoom it up. That's perfect. Yay. So guys, right here I have my tray, and to my tray I just add some foil paper because I'm gonna put my chicken wings in my oven, okay? So now I'm just gonna add all my wings to my tray. So that's my glaze right here, and I have a brush. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put all that glaze all over on my chicken wings, like so. It look amazing. I hope so you guys share the recipe, and please guys share my recipe. I would really appreciate it, okay? I work hard for these videos just to get it out for you guys. So at least you can do is share it, like, subscribe. So now I'm just gonna put it in my oven for at least 30 to 35 minutes and 150 Celsius. So stay tuned. So finally my chicken wings is all finished, And guys, it's been baking in the oven for at least over 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Because what I did, I wait for it to have this chalk color on it. Yes, because that's exactly how I want it to be. So you see how it is, guys, as if it was on a grill. I mean, just look at it. It look amazing. Just gonna give you guys an up close look. Perfect. So perfect. Yummy. I'm just gonna plate up my chicken wings. It's a bit thick. I'm so hungry right now just looking at these chicken wings. They are so perfect. So guys, please share this video to your family, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. And don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. Yes, so that's my sauce that I have leave back on the side. So I'm just gonna taste my chicken wings for you guys. Just dip it in the sauce. Oh my gosh, guys, honestly, it is absolutely delicious. You can taste the ginger, the honey. This recipe, guys, it is a must try. It is so good. Seriously, I could eat all of it. So good. Cooked to the bone. So good. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys.